Hello, good evening my dear students. Welcome back to UC Tutorials. See here in the last video, previous video, up to 4th sum I have done it. Now this is a continuance, that is 5th one. Of course it is third main only, 10 sums are there. This is 5th one I am continuing. Exercise is 1.3 and 5.3 for basic one. Right. Okay, see here. What is given in the 5th sum? D is equal to 5 they have given. S9 is 75 they have given. A is a question mark, that means we have to find it out. And AN, no. This will be AN or A9. What it is? Question says. What is this?
A9.
Fifth one, what you have to find? A and A9.
A9.
So this is A9, we have to find it out. Okay, fine. Solution. This will take it S9, that means N value is 9 here. N is 9 they have given because this is S9 is equal to, what is Sn formula? 9 by 2, N by 2, that is into bracket 2A, A is not given, we have to find it out. So A, you write it as it is, plus N is 9 minus 1, D 5. So D is given as 5. S9 is given as 75, put here as 75 is equal to, division is not possible, write it as it is, 2A also as it is, plus 9 minus 5 is 8, 8 5s are 40. You can take 2 common here, 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into and put 2, we can take it common here. Here A, when you take out 2 common, A remains plus 20, plus 20. 2 ones are, 2 2s are cancelled, this 9 is sent to this side. 75 minus 9 is equal to A plus 20. Right. This is division, I think so. 1 minute. Okay, see here. Write that step. 75 is equal to 9 into A plus 20. So multiply here. 75 is equal to 9A plus 180. 9 2s are 18. Now what we do? Take this side. 75 minus 180 is equal to 9A. Okay. So 180 minus 75. This is minus 105. 180 minus 75, because minus sign is here. Greater number is having minus sign, so minus 105 is equal to 9A. Cancellations here. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are. That means no more cancellation. A is equal to minus 35 upon 3 is your A value. A is minus 35 upon 3 is equal to A. Now we have to go in for A9 because D is already given. So A9 is equal to A plus 8D. A9 is equal to, A means minus 35 by 3 plus A into, what is D value? 5. So A9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 40. 8 5s are 40 divided by 1. That means here 1 3s are, LCM is 3 and 3 1s are. A9 is equal to minus 35 plus 4 3s are 12, that means 120. Whole thing divided by is our LCM 3. So A9 is equal to, here 20 gone and 15 remain. Sorry, in 115 means 85. That means minus 85 by 3. This is what is your answer. Because greater number is having plus. Greater number is having plus sign. So here it is plus 85. Need not write it. 85 by 3. So this is your answer. Right. Okay, see here. Now this is what is the 6th sum. 6th is what? A is equal to 2. D is equal to 8. Sn is given as 90. N we have to find and An we have to find. You see here, using this formula we can find N because A and D both are known. After finding out the N, we have to go in for An. So 2 steps are involved. Solution. Sn they have given, so we don't know what is it. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is what is the Sn formula. Sn is how much? 90. That means here 90 is equal to n we don't know, 2 into what is a? 2 plus what is n we don't know, n minus 1. What is d? 8. 90 this will go up into 2 is equal to n here, 2 to the 4 plus 8 plus 8 into n is 8n plus minus into plus is minus 8. This is 180 is equal to n into bracket, you see here minus 8 and plus 4. That means greater number is having minus. I can write this as 8n minus 4. Right, multiply 180 is equal to 8n into n is 8n square, minus into plus is minus 4n. Now we have to make this quadratic equation. That means this is as it is. Send this 180 to right hand side. 8n square minus 4n minus it is 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Right? This is in the form of quadratic equation which you are going to learn in the next video. See 8n square. We can take common here, something common. 4 we can take common. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 4 1s are 4 2s are. To reduce the equation, right? That is 4 you take common. That will become 2n square minus 2n minus 4 4s are 16 here, 2 remain, 4 5s are. That means it is 45 is equal to 0 and send this 4 to that side. That means 2n square minus 2n minus 45 is equal to 0 by 4. That means your final quadratic equation is 2n square minus 2n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now you see, you have learned in the 9th standard, that is how to split the middle term and factorize this. You have to find the factors of this. Here the rule for the factorization is this. 45 into 2, this is the coefficient of the first term and this is the constant we say, and this is the middle term, right? So minus 45 with the sign you have to take always. This is the rule for factorization. Constant with the sign, that is minus 45, into 2, that is the coefficient of the first term, that is into 2. You know already, this is minus 90. So we have to find what are the possible factors of 90, that is 90. 45 into 2 is one possibility. What else? 190 is a 90, that is another possibility. 10 into 9 is one more, right? But you have to get the middle term as 2. One more is what? 3 into 3. What next? Anything else? Okay, see here, it is not 2n. We just observe here, we have done wrong there. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. When you take out 4 common, 4 2s are 8n square, this is correct, minus, this is correct. You see here, 4 1s are 4, isn't it? That means it should be only n, not 2. Okay, then this is correct. So this is minus n. So everywhere 2, you just take it out. This is also here, right? This is minus n. Now you see the factors. 45 into 2, rule again I repeat, minus 45, that is constant term, into first term coefficient. First term here is n square, always coefficient of the first term you have to take. Into 2 is minus 90. Now factors of 90 is 10 into 9. There are many more factors. But why we have taken for 10 into 9? When you add these two, or when you find the difference between these two, the difference or the addition of these two factors should be equal to the middle term, coefficient of the middle term. Here coefficient of the middle term is 1. That means 10 minus 9 is 1. But what we need? Here minus 1 is needed. Therefore give minus sign to the greater number and plus sign to the smaller number. 10 minus 9 is 1, greater number is minus, so minus 1. Again you have to confirm this. Minus 10 into 9, this is verification step, very important. Because sometimes you will get the factors which is exactly same or equal to the middle term. But when you counter check or verify, you won't get minus 90. So here we are getting minus 90. These both should be same. This is what is the verification step I write here. This is very important. Verification step is important, right? Okay. Now once you know this is our factors, now you have to split the middle term according to these factors. Right. That is 2n square minus this n can be written as minus 10n plus 9n. That means minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now you group them. What is common here? 2n is common, n square and n. Here 2 and 10, that means 2n is common. Here it is 2 has gone, n remains, 2 n's are there, so 1 n remains, minus 5, n has already taken common. Next, here it is plus. What is common? 9 is common. That means same thing has to come, n minus 5. 9 5s are 45 is equal to 0. That means either 2n plus 9 is equal to 0 or n minus 5 is equal to 0. That means here n minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2n plus 9, this is 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So what happens here? N is equal to 5. N may be equal to 5 because this is minus 5 transpose plus 5. Here you see. Here what happens here? N is equal to, this will go to that side, that means RHS, it is minus 9 divided by, this 2 will come down. That means 9 by 2. See, observe this. This we should not consider. The reason is, this is what is our right answer. N value is 5. Why this is not the right answer? Make a note over here. Note, N-O-T-E. You even note in your notebook. And even in your computer also, that is mine I am referring to. What is it? N will be always positive whole number. This is very important. N will be always positive whole number, it will never be a fraction. We got here fraction, so don't consider this. But you consider this n is equal to 5. Now, what we have to find out? An we have to find out. What I do here? I'll rub this and find out An. An is, put a line, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. An means 5 terms are there. A5 we have to find. That means A5 is equal to, because n is 5, already n is 5. A is how much? How much A? 2. That means it is 2 plus n is 5 minus 1. What is D? 8. So A5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4. 4 8s are 32. That means it is 32. So what is A5? 34. This is what is your answer, and this is what is your answer. N is 5. An means 5th term. This is what is your answer. Now what I do? I'll go for 6th, 7th I will do.